What's up, YouTube? Pastor Bob. I wanted to show you the Hamilton diamond watch. It has a 734 movement in it. It's made in the United States. Hamilton's actually made over in Switzerland now. So you know this is an old movement. But look at, oh my God, look at the works in there. Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh my Lord, look how pretty it is, huh? Did a really nice job. I don't find a lot of stuff like that anymore. If you see cut patterns like that nowadays, I guarantee you're going to pay thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars for it. Because the machine work to do that is such intricate process. But I did want to show you guys this, how it looked. Came out pretty nice. Let me come over here and grab this real quick. And I'll flip it over. So that way you can see the front. The diamonds. There's 8 diamonds in it. My fingerprints on the front, sorry. But. So there you go. Nice vintage Hamilton. Made in the United States. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed this. Like, share, subscribe. Take care. God bless. We'll see you soon. Pastor Bob's out of here. See ya.